amazing decision, one that we're very happy about.
The U.S. Supreme Court with a decision that President Trump called a major win today. It paves the way for other steps that could one day end automatic birthright citizenship. New Mexico was one of 22 states that were suing the president to try to stop this. Our Zach Rael joins us now from the newsroom. So, Zach, you've been talking with some local officials and a legal expert about what this means for people right here in our state.
Yeah, Trevor, that's right. While the justices didn't directly answer the question of birthright citizenship, it does leave open the possibility that the long-time, widely accepted legal notion that the Constitution's 14th Amendment offers automatic citizenship to anyone in the United States, that they were born here, well, that could soon be ending.
Should be a significant worry to us, particularly in a state as diverse as we are here in New Mexico.
Legal experts like UNM law professor Joshua Kastenberg say with this 6-3 Supreme Court ruling, restrictions on birthright citizenship could soon take effect in parts of the country.
You know, in a sense, it is a win for the administration on this issue, but it may not be a win for the country, or it may not be a win for Congress or the states.
On his first day in office, President Donald Trump signed an executive order calling for an end to birthright citizenship. Federal judges blocked that order nationwide, but the Trump administration argued that those judges don't have the authority to rule for the entire country.
In practice, this meant that if any one of the nearly 700 federal judges disagreed with the policy of a duly elected president of the United States, he or she could block that policy from going into effect, or at least delay it for many years.
The 14th Amendment says all persons born or naturalized in the United States are subject to the jurisdiction therefore of and are citizens of the United States. President Trump is looking to change that, giving citizenship to people born in this country only if one of their parents is a citizen or permanent resident.
If you are not in the country lawfully within the interpretation of the amendment, then I could see a U.S. District Court judge making that ruling, and this administration moving to deport an individual back to the country that is allegedly their birthright.
Targeting families and kids and redefining what it means to be an American is just not who we are. We're better than that.
New Mexico Attorney General Raul Torres, who again sued the Trump administration to stop this, said in a statement to KOB4, New Mexicans should take comfort in the fact that this decision will not impact our communities because of our steadfast commitment to upholding the rule of law and our willingness to fight to uphold our constitutional order. Now, Torres went on to say that we remain confident that this executive order, clearly unlawful and deeply harmful to millions of Americans, will ultimately be struck down. Zach Rael, KOB4.